Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make chocolate mousse with Devonshire cream, my favorite. All right, let's go. Whip egg whites and 3 tablespoons of sugar until stiff peaks in a small bowl. Whip half a cup of cream in another small bowl. Whip yolks and mix together into cream. Melt chocolate in a small bowl with butter. Let chocolate cool, then fold in cream egg mixture together. Then fold in egg whites. Do not overmix. Spoon into glass cups and refrigerate. To make Devonshire cream, whip a 1/4 cup of sugar, a 1/4 cup of cream, mix sour cream and lemon, then mix together. Spoon on top of chocolate mousse. Yummy for the tummy. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos.